Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered just how cold it is out there in the vast emptiness of space? I know I have. For the longest time I assumed that outer space had to be the coldest place imaginable, a realm so frigid nothing on Earth could ever compare. But as it turns out, scientists have managed to outdo the universe itself. They've actually created something even colder than the cosmic void, and they did it right here on our own planet. This record-breaking chill isn't lurking in some distant galaxy or hidden nebula. Instead, it's tucked away inside a high-tech laboratory, surrounded by buzzing equipment and brilliant minds. Imagine the coldest spot in the known universe is not light years away, but right here on Earth, behind the doors of a research lab. It's almost like science fiction, but it's real, thanks to human curiosity and ingenuity. Now let's talk about just how cold space really is. The temperature out there is mind-blowingly low, about minus 270 degrees Celsius, or just a few degrees above absolute zero. That's so cold it's hard to even imagine. At these temperatures, almost all molecular motion grinds to a halt. Absolute zero is the lowest temperature possible, where atoms stop moving entirely. Space gets incredibly close but never quite reaches it. It's a place where heat, as we know it, barely exists, a realm of near-perfect stillness. But at MIT, scientists decided to push the boundaries of cold even further. They wanted to see what happens when you get even closer to absolute zero than the universe itself. Using powerful lasers and magnetic traps, they managed to slow down atoms to a crawl, cooling them to temperatures just a tiny fraction above absolute zero. We're talking about a billionth of a degree above the coldest temperature possible. So cold, it's almost unimaginable. To measure such tiny differences, scientists use incredibly sensitive instruments, capable of detecting changes that would be invisible anywhere else. This level of precision is mind-blowing, and it opens up a whole new world of physics. At these temperatures, even substances like liquid nitrogen seem warm by comparison. But what happens to matter at this mind-bending chill? Atoms slow down so much their individual identities start to blur. They begin to act in ways that defy our everyday experience. They merge together, forming a new state of matter called a Bose-Einstein condensate, a kind of superatom, where particles move as one. In this bizarre state, matter doesn't behave like anything we're used to. It's almost as if the rules of reality have changed. Light itself can be slowed down or even stopped as it passes through this ultra-cold material. Waves and particles become indistinguishable, and the strange world of quantum mechanics takes center stage. Here, the boundaries between what we think of as normal and impossible start to blur. It's a playground for physicists where the mysteries of the universe are revealed in the coldest conditions imaginable. So, the coldest place ever discovered isn't some lonely, frozen corner of the cosmos. It's a tiny, carefully crafted spot, created by human hands and driven by our endless curiosity to understand the universe. Every adjustment, every experiment, brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of matter and energy. Who would have guessed that the most chilling place in existence would be found in a lab, not in the depths of space? If you found this as fascinating as I did, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join us as we continue to explore the wildest, weirdest, and most wonderful mysteries science has to offer. Stay curious and keep exploring with Scilology.